Okay, this is for my DJs. This is to help you have a better understanding of Instagram, and I've come up with these 5 things that I want you guys to do that is going to really help you start to grow your page. Day 5 is all about Reels. Now, if you're looking to grow on Instagram, this is the place to do it. Instagram is really trying to push these videos out to people that don't necessarily know you. And if you don't believe me, just have a look at any of the analytics on your videos. A lot of your videos are being pushed to non-followers as well as your actual followers, all right? And that's where the growth is. So this is how it works. People will see a reel and they'll like it. Then they'll click on your profile and read your bio. This is why I said the first most important thing is to optimize your bio, because then they'll go there and see how cool it looks, how professional it looks. They'll see the links to your other bits, and they'll see what you do on your page with a reason to follow you, and then they'll follow you. That's it. They won't follow you if all of that bit's not there in the first place. So that's why I started off with day 1 talking about optimizing your bio. So that's how it works. When people see a reel that they like, they then go onto your profile to find out more about you, and that's when they make a decision whether to follow you or not. So Instagram has completely done away with videos now, so any video that you post gets posted as a reel. That's why it's important that you do it all portrait mode, not landscape, all right? Everything's got to be portrait, it's got to be that way, and you've got to fill the screen. None of these short videos, no point doing it. You've got to fill the whole screen like you would on TikTok. As you scroll through TikTok, all of those videos fill the whole screen. That is what reels are, okay? Keep them short as well. You'll notice that people don't watch reels for a long time. I think the average watch time is between 6 and 15 seconds. So if you keep your videos to round about 15 seconds, it's a good place to start. And you can mix it up with what you do, what sort of content you share, but don't always just make it about you. Try and get your personality across as well, because that's how people are going to connect with you as a DJ, by getting to know you as a person. If you're just constantly saying, I'm playing here, I'm playing there, this is my new track, go and buy my new track, it's just take all the time. Well, you've got to give. There's a great Gary Vee saying called jab, 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 right hook. Those jab, jab, jabs should be you giving content back to people and you inspiring other people. Then the right hook is buy my new track. But only do that once. Think about those other jabs. Do 3 jabs, 1 right hook. Think about that as you're posting your content, and stop making it all just about you. Think about the other person and make it for them. One last thing I want to talk about is the importance of connecting with people as well. There's no point just posting all this content without following up on the comments and things like that you're going to get on your feed. You should be checking every day. I always spend 15 minutes in the morning, 15 minutes in the evening, looking at my comments and replying to anybody, liking them as well. This way is when you build up the communication, because that's what it's all about. If you want people to follow you, you have to give them something back. You have to give them a reason to follow you, and that is by you communicating with them and engaging with them. That's what it's all about. Social media is called social for a reason. It's not just you posting stuff. There's a conversation going backwards and forwards, and that's done in the comments and that's done in the DMs as well. So there you go. That wraps up my 5-day challenge. And remember what I said at the beginning. I'm not saying you're going to now get 10,000 followers like everybody else does. All of these videos you see on YouTube and everywhere else saying, I can guarantee you 10,000 followers in 7 days. That's not achievable at the moment on Instagram. The way that the algorithm works is completely different to that. You can definitely get growth from Reels, yes, but not those numbers at the moment. But you will get it over time. Consistency. It's about being patient, and it's about being consistent. If you're looking for quick growth like that, then TikTok is the place to be. It's not Instagram, it's TikTok. However, you need to choose the right audience. And for me, Instagram is still one of the best platforms because of how many different ways that you can communicate with people. So I hope you've enjoyed this 5-day challenge. Let me know in the comments what was your favourite one. And again, any of these that you're struggling with, you want to know more about, please do let me know. I also want to say to you, if you like this video, click that button down below that says like, the little thumbs up. It really does help me as a creator to reach more people. The more likes, the better. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel to make sure you don't miss out on any future videos, because I'm going to be posting a lot more content on YouTube from now on to help DJs grow using all types of social media and other DJ tips as well. So thanks for watching this. Have an amazing day. I'll see you in the next video.